Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a headboard. So nimeenda Kikomba to get the materials. They're affordable and cheaper. I'm from Kikomba. Now I'm making my head frame. It took me time to do this. It was very tiresome, and this is the main part you should not even miss or make anything wrong. I had to be very careful because I didn't want to stick my headboard directly on my bed headboard, because I still want to use my headboard. Sometimes I may get bored with it, or I will leave this for my kids and buy another bed. So I didn't want to glue it together like I used to see most people do it. I needed the separate one, like maybe I can remove it. Yeah. I'm still on my frame. It took me like 2 hours to figure out exact accurate size of it, because I had to adjust it with 2 inches each. Ndesikuwe ndogo. I tried to add the band, but I'd see it was very weak, so I had to put direct wood. I had to add an inch of wood into it. My bed was very boring. It's like my bedroom was so boring. I said, okay, if I'm not having anything to do, then let me try this. If it backfired, thank God it didn't backfire. It went smoothly. Even I can't believe I made this thing. I needed one bite my phone. I went to ask for a headboard from nearby Fundi. The Fundi told me I should bring 10,000. I said, okay, my bed is 12k. 10,000, that's around 22. Why don't I let me just add, even if it's 10k, I buy the exact tufted one. Then something just came. I had money and I didn't know what to do with it. I said, okay, let me calculate everything, what will be needed, and everything added up to 1,900. The 3 frames were around 150 each, and I went there. They cut for me the exact measurement I wanted for free. The fabric was 2 meters. There are different fabrics, but me, I went for the 2 meter, for the another one, that for 1 meter 350. I took 2 and I got discount of 500. Sorry, I get we did 500. Good thing with Kikomba, you can bargain. What they know rule there is they can't leave any money. Once you go to that shop, you'll never leave there without buying anything. That's their rule. I went and buy counter-adhesive. That was around 100 bob. There's different varieties. There's for 300, 150. Mimi niliona nikabaya jua kali for 100. I'm done with my frame. Now I'm fixing my box. This is my fridge box. Since I used to put it under the bed, I said, okay, let me use it. I wanted to use plywood, but even carrying it was very stressful. The small materials I went to buy, everybody was looking at me like, they think I'm a one-woman, I don't know. Everybody, their eyes were on me with my forms and everything. We cut the extra parts and join another box there to complete the space. This is a very easy DIY. You can just do it by yourself. You should have good measurement, accurate, and time and patience. It's really. If I don't have money to buy it, I will make it. You see how it has I uses the longest nails, the longest and bigger nails. Zile msumari kubwa kubwa ndo nimetumia, ndo at least ishike hizi nani, hizi board, hizi netwaje, hiyo ramtom isitokane. If you put the smaller nails, they will just pop out. I had to put the tire rubber so that the frame ikuwe firm na isilegee, yani isilegee vile. Pia itusaidie, I can use it to hold back of my bed. That even is the most reason. And at least even if you put your head on the board, itatokana like itaenda nyuma like box ita nani. Kwa fundi ni akili guys. Sijai juanga venye kumbe anachukanga akili ya mafundi. That's my form, and the form I bought at 500 shillings. This one is medium. There's thinner, the medium and high density. This thinner was going for 500. The smaller than this was going for 300, but I didn't like that one because those are for chairs, for chair arms. I apply my adhesive content all over. After that, you let it cool, and then I add both sides the foam. So the body quite equalized. I was bored with this bed. See how the headboard looks like. I needed something new, something good. When you are bored, you can just try this. There's even where they sell the ramp, the fridge boxes, these heavy ones, 250. Sometimes kikoma 250, ukibageni unaweza chua na so mbili hapo 150. Quality. I stick my forms on the board. You see how it is? It's going like okay. I'm happy about the process. First, when I was starting it, I was just doubting, what if I waste my materials? Okay, what if I do this and this? But I had faith doing this. I'm measuring my material to see. For the edges, don't worry, I'm going to trim it equal. Still applying for the adhesive on the to get firm. Now it was time for measurement, like the length I use 6 inches each mark 6 inches. The width I use 5 inches each. Funny thing was, I was going for a geometrical one, but unfortunately, my adhesive finished before I even started putting the material inside the form. So there was no way I would go to combat at that night. just have to have the plan B. So I went for the tufted one instead of the geometric one. Unfortunately, my phone falls down. Okay, don't have tripod. So I was going measurement. Since I told you guys, I changed to tufted one. I have not make, which I use the same measurement, 6 inches length and 5 inches width. Put my buttons in my long nail and screw inside it. This is the hardest part. Thank God I used the box. If it would be plywood, it would be something else. I would have messed up a lot because I was going for geometrical. Sikuwa nimeweka the button holes, but thank God it was box. It wasn't easy for the needle to penetrate inside. Second, whatever I did mistake also was I bought small buttons, but with time I just want to show you guys you can use ready-made materials with no machinery cuttings, with nothing to do with machines to make this board. If you get your free time, kindly you can try this. Do not kindly comment below any mistake you want me to rectify, so when I will be making my son's bed, I'll show you guys. That will be the next project. Instead of going to buy him a baby cot ranging 8,000, I'm just going to make him a small bed for bed sheet. When we are outgrow it, I will just give out. For the buttons part, you have to be very careful. You have to tie it very tightly from the back ndo ishikane. If not utashangaa tu zimetokana kwa hiyo box. I begin to For the buttons, I have to be very careful, extra careful, because if I just mess even small, the needle itanidunga. Now we are halfway done. Like I told you guys before, I bought less buttons, but this was just to show you you can use any available resources to make this. I will still go, if maybe tomorrow or the next day, I will go and buy other buttons and feed up the areas. As you can see, it's all, there's not, these are ready-made things. With 1,900 you can make this headboard. Bora tu akili zako zikuwe ziko hapo. Measurements must be accurate. So hizo time, hizo msumari nilikuwa nimezungushia hizo nani za button, you have to bend them so that hizo kamba zisitokane. Second, it will be good and secure ndo isidunge ama isiharibu kuta when placed on the headboard. Ndo nilijua naweza kula msumari hizi ndogo zikiwa kwa mdomo. So naeka hizo raba nyuma to hold the bed headboard ndo isitokani. Usipoweka itakuwa ni kama umekelea direct, inaweza angukia hata watoto. My bed is done. Can you see the outcome? That's the final look and I like it, even if the buttons are very less, but I like it. I will feed up the buttons later. I just want to show you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel, comment below and like my videos. Thank you.